Good morning, gang. It's
Chosen.
Monday, July 28th. Let's go outside on the patio garden and see what we got
Shit.
sprouting. It's your girl Jacques from Zola Downs Fresh Market.
Hey.
Go ahead and hit that follow button.
One foot in front of the other, I'm thugging. Rapping about Jesus, they feel like I'm bugging. Open the spirit, my face be mugging. Shooting at demons all day, we slugging. I don't do drugs, don't bring no plugging. High in the spirit, only time I'm drugging. Bringing them back into 2011. This beat got me swinging my arms like I'm dugging. I'm in the Dougie. Jesus walk with me, I call him my buddy. I want the day, not the night, like I'm Cuddy. Suit up for war, cause this battle get muddy. Bloody. Lining them up, I'ma study. Fresh out the tomb, so I know he on crunch time. We go to war for the Lord, that's the fun time. I got a water these seas, call it pump time. Jesus the light, but in heaven, he's sunshine. They said I'm hiding, but I'm in the front line. He don't know where they come get me like one time. I'm in the passenger seat, I'm a dumb mind. Demons, they always be scared when it's slump time. Freestyle chopsticks, bobble like a drum line. Not some angels around me, they combine. Walk in the spirit, got peace, you can come find. Call on the Lord, he be here in just no time. Live in the spirit, my house not here. I'm from the kingdom of.
There goes some more tomatoes. That is a husky cherry tomato plant. So we got plenty of husky cherry tomato plants happening. Sorry, y'all. Here's some bees trying to pollinate. Over here, see that tomato plant? That's a pear tomato. You can see it's a pear tomato plant. Got plenty happening down in there. Top basil. You can see our zucchini. You can see down in there we got a zucchini sprouting, y'all. Yeah. Let's get up in there. Y'all see that zucchini? Got us some zucchini happening. See over here we got zucchini flowers. We should have some zucchini sprouting in this plant soon. Got some pretty flowers. I need to do something about these ants, y'all. You can see my lettuce bowl, I think it's gotten drowned out. Got a few pieces sprouting there. You can see our mint is growing down all off the porch, y'all. That bell pepper plant didn't save it, y'all. It died out. I think the heat killed it. You can see a cucumber plant. It's getting huge. Look at that. That cucumber plant is growing up. Down there, y'all see my hot pepper plants is dying out. The heat is killing so much stuff, y'all. We've been in Michigan. It's been 90 degrees. The heat been kicking our butts. My carrot's so tall. Probably got some carrots in that dirt. I'm gonna pull it out. See what we got. See the Swiss chard. It's huge. I harvested some Swiss chard yesterday, y'all. Under there, my tomato plant that was in that white pot, it died. There go some chives. See, we got some huge zucchini plants here. My basil plant down there. It's looking good. A couple more zucchini plants over here. See, this is another one here as well. There's some pineapple sage and our okra. This is an okra plant, y'all. So our okra plant has sprouted up here. So yeah, today's Monday, July 28th. And I said we got some stuff that's growing really good, and we got some stuff that's actually died out in the garden from all the rain and excessive heat we've had going on. Overall, still got a great harvest. Y'all can see. I don't know what this is, y'all. Growing. I'm guessing that's got to be a weed growing in that pot. I got it growing in several pots. Probably should pull that out. We did get some zucchini. I'm gonna pluck that zucchini. Y'all see that? Yeah, girl got some zucchini. This tomato plant is tall and leggy too. But I do got plenty of pear tomatoes on it. So it's all good. Down up under there. Got a pot back there. A couple pots back there. Nothing to sprout in them yet though. That's what's popping this week. The patio garden, July 28th.